He's back in our lives. Maybe this time. So, nagbabalik na po si Franklin Miano sa ating buhay. And papakinggan natin ang kanyang bagong racket dito sa social media. Palakpakan natin ang pagbabalik. Well, ngayon kasi, meron na siyang mga kasama. Well, dati pa naman niyang kasama si Bricks, yung coach niya na isa. Ngayon ang ano nila ngayon, marketing agency sila. Yun yata yung gimmick nila eh. Hindi sila parang dati na MSB Academy na coaching. Ngayon naman, ang approach nila, marketing agency sila na may super duper califragilisticexpialidocious na technique para palupitin yung content marketing. So, papakinggan natin sila for today's video. Okay? So, pero i-analyze natin. Ganito yung gagawin natin, Kasi medyo matagal-tagal to, Kanina kasi ang dami kong hinahanap rito, So, eto muna, papakinggan natin, tapos dadahan-dahanin natin lahat ng sasabihin nila. And then, siguro, some other time na lang yung iba kasi marami pa akong i-cover for today. Bayaan nyo, lagi naman tayo. Hindi naman, ayan din yung ayoko, Yung parang iisa lang yung content mo paulit-ulit tapos pagka babalik ka rito. Parang honestly yung MSB kasi tingin ko case closed na yun sa atin I mean overcook na yun pagka ginawa ko ng ginawa kasi nakuha na natin yung gusto natin doon na-expose natin si Franklin Miano and we're done with it. 'Di ba? Kasi meron ibang mga tao sobra talaga yung Nico, lagi gawin mo si Franklin Miano. Sabi ko, bro, ano pa ba kailangan gawin? What is there to prove anymore? Kung may bagong gimmick katulad dito, pwede nating i-analyze. Pero pagka GG na, 'di ba? Yung social media presence niya kasi bawas na talaga. Ngayon naman nagbabalik sila and marami silang layers of protection na ginawa ngayon. So what I did was I recorded yung video dito kasi hindi mo siya ma-playback Pero syempre pwede mo namang screen record yan. Natuloy natin.
Who are looking to
if you are a content creator who are looking to earn
first creator who are looking to earn $1 million in the next 6 months.
Oh my God! Magkano yun? 1 million hindi $150,000 a month. Oh my God, okay?
Over $1 million in the past 6 months using the same strategy that we're about to share with you.
Okay, so may strategy silang i-share. Tapos mananalo, magkaka $1 million ka in 6 months. Hindi ba kung kaya nyong gawin yun mag-isa nyo, bakit nyo pa i-share? Kasi yan kasi yung blueprint ng mga guru-guruhan dito sa internet. Eto, kikita ko nitong ganitong klaseng kalaki. Ituturo ko sa'yo kung paano, Lods. I mean, if you have the winning number in the lottery, why would you share it with another person? I do not understand. Diba? Kasi ayan na yung blueprint Nasa yun na yung blueprint para magka $1 million ka every 6 months. And then you're gonna share it. Malabo, diba? This is why kasi pwede ka naman magtayo ng kunyari, ako technically pwede ako magtayo ng YouTube shop Tuturo ko sa inyo yung mga technical know-hows ko sa YouTube. Pero ginagawa ko naman ng libre sa inyo yan. Halimbawa may issue, i-connect ko minsan sa technicality ng YouTube yan. Halimbawa copyright, ganyan. Or yung nangyari kay Shernan, yung mga behind the scenes ng YouTube. Kasi you don't really need these people if you are trying to learn social media, kung paano siya gumawa. You just need siguro to read and everything is free online In my opinion kasi look, never akong gumamit ng mga ganyan and I'm sorry kay Franklin Miano pero I think I have eclipsed you already pagdating sa social media presence. Kasi meron kang nag-pick ka tapos bigla kang nawala literal o, diba? Ngayon, nagbabalik ka, okay lang. We miss you, baby! Talay natin.
I'm going to share with you the blueprint how we gather 20,000 paying students.
Yan. Ang iniisip ko dyan sa paying students na yan, since nandiyan si Franklin Miano, is this MSB also. So, tuturo nyo yung method nyo kung paano kayo magkaroon ng MSB. Tama? Or yung strategy kung paano nyo napagana yung MSB, yun din ba yung ituturo nyo? Yun ba yun? Tuloy natin.
in just doing organic content marketing.
O yun, yun din yung organic marketing na yun. Di ba parang the art of organic marketing? Sounds familiar? Mukhang mukhang talagang pagtutuunan nila ng pansin yung mukhang pagtutuunan nila ang gagawin nila dito is yung framework nila sa MSB. Yun siguro yung gusto nilang ipahiwatag dito kasi yung description 20,000 paying students. Tapos $1 million in 6 months. Diba? It sounds like it, pero tuloy natin. Organic marketing, diba? Art of organic marketing. Pero alam mo kung meron akong kilalang art of organic marketing dito. Sila Rosa Cobeni yun. Kilala niya yun. Yung sa On The Way. On The Way na ako. Tapos yung ang galing kasi nila gumawa ng skits doon sa kanilang milk tea shop. And because of their success, marami na nang gumaya doon sa format nila. Na gumagawa sila ng mga skits na nakakatawa. Ang iba lang sa kanila kasi, sa mga big advertisers, yung mga big advertisers kasi, minsan mo lang sila makita. Pagka gumawa sila ng malupit na commercial, you see it na once in a while sa TV. Pero yung mga content yung mga social media advertisers kasi, they need to produce content every now and again. So, sila Rosa Cobeni yung On The Way. Tingin ko sila yung totoong art of organic marketing. Anyway, that's my opinion on the matter. Tuloy natin.
Hi, my name is Franklin. I'm a COO of WorkSmart.
Hello! Hello! We miss you, baby! Natuloy.
PH. We are a marketing agency that helps consultants,
So, marketing agency sila, okay?
coaches, and especially content creators.
So, they can help me. And they can help yourself, okay? So, ikaw dapat, Franklin Miano, dapat yung, pag tinignan ko, kunyari, yung digital product mo na, or yung YouTube channel mo, dapat sobrang putok, di ba? Kasi, tuloy lang muna natin, papakita ko sa inyo yung point ko.
To sell their digital products online. And we are different from other agencies out there.
Different? Hindi, alangan naman sabihin mo, actually, parehas lang kami nung sa kanto eh. Kunyari, nagbebenta ako kunyari ng manok. Kalasa namin yung yung Andox eh, di ba? Medyo may pagka-chokes to go, pero sakto lang. Siyempre, hindi ganun. Sabi mo, hindi, iba kami, pare, iba kami. Tuloy natin.
You know why?
Bakit?
We offer a money-back guarantee.
Okay, yan. Diyan tayo mag-focus muna. And I think, bago tayo pumunta dun sa ibang points nito, kasi malalim yung mga nahukay ko rito. And we will do that, dahan-dahan, of course. So, ito muna, yung money back guarantee na to. Kasi dito kasi nagsimula lahat ng problema ni Franklin Miano na to. Dito sa money back guarantee na to. Now, ang ginawa ko kasi, nung narinig ko yan, the first thing, kaya ako ni-record to kasi gusto kong i-post dito. And what I did was, I tried to search the webpage dito. Tsaka na yung mga magagandang abubuts na yan. Tsaka na yan. So, eto muna, mag-focus muna tayo sa money back guarantee. Kasi dito kasi sumabit ng malaki si Franklin Miano ibig kong sabihin, nagmatigas siya na wag magkaroon ng money back dun sa mga taong humihingi ng money back guarantee. Kasi ang intindi ng tao, kapag hindi mo nakuha yung sinasabi niyang yung 6 digits per month mo na kita is, may money back ka. Nung nalaman nila na yung freelancing ay hindi ganun kadali, isusoli nila yung 7,000. Pero Franklin Miano was, I think ito yung pinaka masakit sa MSB. And I think they are talking about MSB kasi ito, di ba, yan din yung traditional media. Nandiyan pa si Chinkitan. Shoutout sa'yo, Chinky. So, ayan yung kanyang mga total revenue, blah, blah, blah. Yan, 21K paying student inside the academy, di ba? I think this is somewhat related to MSB. Well, we will talk about that in future episodes dito. But what I'm trying to do here is I'm trying to find kung nasaan yung yung fine print na tinatawag for the for the refund, kasi that's important eh. I think if you wanna try this out, kasi sinabi nila is money back guarantee, the first thing that you have to do is to read kung paano isusoli yung pera mo, or yung procedure kung paano isusoli yung pera mo. Kasi when you sign in sa contract na ganito, there is always a fine print na tinatawag. So ang nandyan lagi is ito, the first link is ito. Pagka yan, get a free call, blah blah blah, yan, book a free 30-minute call, yan yung makikita mo from the website. And eto yan, it's just a Google document that is actually that is just showing you kung ayan no, yung mga ganyan eh. I do not understand this yet, but I'm assuming that this is just to collect your information, tapos kung ano yung goal mo sa iyong content, tapos tatawagan ka nila afterwards to get your free 30-minute call. Most of the links here goes there, okay? Why do I say that? Kasi merong mga links dito, halimbawa ito, it goes to a web page or the Facebook page of Wix, okay? Wix is just a website, parang automated website tool yata ito. Hindi ako marunong gumamit yan eh, pero yan lang yon, yung paggawa ng web page lang yan, okay? So, nothing fancy there. So, yan yung first step nila is to somehow connect you to Wix. Pati ito eh, Wix din yan sa YouTube nila. Ayan, so, they will use Wix, or I don't know, are they implying that they are somehow connected to Wix? I don't know yet. Pero from the way that it looks, parang sinasabi nila na eto yung Wix yung kanilang main tool para tulungan ka. Kasi ayan no, so social media content marketing. Tapos nandiyan yung analytics ni Franklin Miano. So of course, alam ko yung nangyari kay Franklin Miano, tsaka yung sa kanyang Facebook page, yung YouTube channel ngayon. Kasi if you go to his YouTube channel, papakita natin mamaya. Para lang may context kayo. Ano yan eh, analytics yan ng YouTube. Ito yan eh. So, anyway, tsaka na lang natin pag-usapan yung mga details na yan. Pero my point here is that you cannot find the fine print dito sa page na to. Dapat kasi nandyan yan eh. I think they learned their lesson na wag ilagay agad sa public yung kanilang yung fine print for refunds. Kasi nga diyan kasi ako talaga diyan ko siya talaga binutasan ng sobra diyan sa money back guarantee na yan. Ito kasi yung MSB money back guarantee. Papakita ko lang sa inyo kung gaano kahirap hanapin yan. So this is the MSB page. You scroll down, you scroll down, you scroll down again, scroll down further, and here is the first link. Okay, ito pa lang yung first ever na makikita nyo tong money back guarantee na to. And then there's a little blue link here that you have to click. Tapos wala pa dyan yung fine print nung refunds. You have to read this first kung nabili mo na yung MSB na yan. And then you scroll down, you scroll down, you scroll down, you scroll down. Dito pa lang. And then when you click this blue link, it will lead you on here. Okay, doon sa page na pinakita ko sa inyo na ito. Now, the important thing here is that you read these 3 steps kung paano ka nila isusoli yung pera mo. In the MSB sa MSB to hindi to doon sa WorkSmart So, kung naalala nyo nung MSB days, ang sasabihin niya dito, you must build a fully functional portfolio with one service ready to be sold. Isa yan. You must reach out and offer your service to 200 clients. Pangalawa, you must be interviewed by 20 clients, screenshots, or video. So, ang lumalabas dyan, so kung sa 30 days mo siya gagawin, so, in 30 days, 200 divided by 30, dapat may 6 or 7 clients kang kinakausap araw-araw and doon sa 6 clients na yon, dapat 20 doon ay sasagot sa iyo at mari-reject ka. Ganun kadami yung isusolicit mo na kliyente bago nila at doon sa 200 na yon or doon sa 20 clients na yon, dapat walang pasok doon. Okay, so this is what I did. I actually asked a lot of freelancers kung posible ba yon if you are a newbie, as in bago ka lang talaga. like nasa cellphone ka lang, kasi yun yung mga bumili nito yung mga nasa cellphone na estudyante, or yung hindi sila masyadong techie pero nagse-cellphone sila. Nagagawa, doon pa lang sila gagawa ng portfolio and everything. So, can you do it? Can you learn how to do freelance in 30 days with one fully functional portfolio with one service to be sold in 30 days? In 30 days lahat to. So, pwede ba yun? Most of them are saying na hindi nila kaya yon. Kahit na sabihin mong may experience ka pa. It is very hard to talk to solicit to 200 clients tas may 20 interviews ka in today's market, okay? Yun yung tamang context dun So dito, I wanna know kung yan yung MSB. Now, let's go back here. So dito naman, I was actually trying to understand kung ano yung money back guarantee niyan. Kasi dito, it's a very generic text. We are so confident in the effectiveness of our service that we offer a 100% money back guarantee. If for any reason you are not satisfied with our work, within the agreed, upon time frame, we will refund your investment in full. Okay? So, ang problema lang, vague kasi ito Wala yung specific details, unlike doon sa MSB. With our money back guarantee, you can explore our service with confidence. We are committed with building a long-term beneficial partnership, and we want to feel secure in your decision to work with us. Experience the peace out of that mind that comes out with our ironclad money back guarantee. Di ba yan din yung gimmick sa MSB? Rest assured that you're making a risk-free investment in your business growth. Partner with us today and let's achieve remarkable results. So that's the point. Where is the fine print dito? Kasi of course, sinabi nila dito na lang magtataka kayo. Agreed upon time frame, what is this? So kailangan ko munang mag-book ng call kasi it's not here on this website. Whenever I click a link, lagi siyang pumupunta dito sa Google Docs na to. Except for dun sa mga pinindot ko kanina. Okay, and free case study. Tsaka na natin pag-uusapan lahat to kasi very important yung mga points ko rito and I don't wanna miss out anything. Okay, so dun muna tayo sa money back guarantee. Dun pa lang magtaka na kayo kung ano yung fine print nun or ano yung nasasaad dun. Like, kasi pagka bumili ka rito, tapos ganito yung sobrang, according to the people that I've talked to, sobrang mahirap lalo na for a beginner during, kasi etong MSB na to, binenta to dun sa mga beginners. As in, talagang wala silang kaalam-alam sa freelance marketing, sa freelancing, tapos 200 clients agad yung kailangan mong sendan ng portfolio and you have to be interviewed by 20 of them, diba? So, I guess yun yung kailangan nating aralin dito at hanapin dito kasi, it's another facet of mga technique ni Franklin Miano para kumita siya, 'di ba? So pero we will analyze this dahan-dahan lang. Bukas naman yung iba. Mga lods.